welcome back to the channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and I welcome you once again. We are out here at Serenity Place where we make a little magic happen. In today's video, I am going to share with you how I have created this pearl wreath here. I've already finished one. This is the second one. I wanted to share with you guys how I actually put it together. Now I have 2 packs of these. These are the half round size of pearls here, and I purchased these from Amazon. So if you are interested in how this is done, get your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you are choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. I'm going to do all the work, and I just need for you guys to enjoy the process. Now, if this is your first time here, of course, I want to welcome you here, and I hope that you will like what you see and feel like hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, so you'll always get my be notified when I create a video, and give me a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know how much you appreciate and like what we bring to you guys. So I'm going to drop you down and I will start to work. So now the way that I do this, as I stated, the pearls are half round. Let's see. So what I do is I add a little tacky glue, whether I add it to the strip here or add it directly to the foam. Either way, it really doesn't matter. But what I do is I start it from the inside here, and then I work my way around. Now I don't take it all the way, and I don't leave it here. I don't take it all the way around because I don't want to see it from the other side when I hang it on the wall or on the door. I want to go about just a little before crossing over to the other side. So I will start about right in here. So I'm going to take and add a little bit of my tacky glue, and then I will start the process of just repeating, taking the pearl strips all the way around. So this is the first spool here. I'm going to see if I can get this tacky glue started. So here the beginning process, as you see when you're starting anything like this, the beginning part is a little bit tedious until you get your flow going. And you guys will see once it starts to flow, it will flow very, very well. And the outcome is so amazing. So just bear with me here as I get my flow going, and you will see that it'll be well worth it. So again, I thank you all for clicking that button, and I hope you will enjoy these very beautiful and very elegant wreaths that I will be sharing with you
on this beautiful day. And guys, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and to me a happy birthday on tomorrow. So as I go, I keep the alignment going. So I'm making sure that as I apply the glue, that I am making sure that they line up the way that they are supposed to. That's the tedious part, making sure that you don't have major gaps within your wreath. And if you do have a gap here and there, you can always go back and fill it in.
I could cut these in strips and it would probably make it a lot easier, but I don't want. I want it to be consistent. And I like this tacky glue because it goes on clear. I'm gonna let this rest for tonight, let it dry out completely. Then I'll come back tomorrow and fill in the little patches that are the little gap from where it ended. So I'll add one pearl here, and then I think there's a spot on the other side, but I'm just gonna leave it and let it rest tonight, let it dry up real good, and then I'll finish it and add some embellishments to it, and then I'll bring it back and share with you guys the finished look. All right, this completes this portion of the video. I will be back to share with you the completed process. Thank you.